Today I'll walk you through how to connect your domain to Cloudflare even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to link your domain to Cloudflare so you can enhance your website's security and performance. Let's get started. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, look for the option to add a site or onboard a domain. Here, you'll enter your Apex domain, which is simply your domain name without any prefixes like www or https. For example, just type in example.com and then click Continue. Now, Cloudflare will prompt you to select a plan. The free plan is a fantastic choice for most users as it covers standard security and content delivery network needs. After selecting your plan, click Continue. This is where the magic begins. Next, Cloudflare will automatically scan your existing DNS records. This is crucial because you want to ensure that all essential records have been copied over correctly. Pay special attention to your A and CNAME records, which point to your web host, and your MX records, which are critical for receiving emails sent to your domain. If you notice any missing records, you can add them manually. Once you're satisfied, click Continue. Now, Cloudflare will assign you two custom nameservers such as alan.ns.cloudflare.com and beth.ns.cloudflare.com. It's important to keep this tab open or copy both nameserver addresses as you'll need them shortly. Next, log into the website where you purchased your domain. This could be platforms like Namecheap, GoDaddy, Google Domains, Squarespace, or NameSilo. Navigate to your domain management area and find the nameserver settings. Here, you'll switch from default or custom DNS to custom nameservers. Remove any existing nameservers and replace them with the two provided by Cloudflare. Don't forget to save your changes. This step is essential for the connection to work. Once you've updated your nameservers, return to the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the option to check nameservers or Done, check nameservers. This will allow Cloudflare to verify that your changes have been made. Next, complete the Quick Start Guide to configure options like automatic HTTPS rewrites or always use HTTPS. Keep in mind that nameserver updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 to 48 hours to propagate globally. You'll receive an email confirmation from Cloudflare once your domain is active. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your domain to Cloudflare. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.